Hey guys, welcome back to H.E.R Music. Today I'm going to teach you how to play this really cool bluesy track by H.E.R called Carry It Away. It uses the same riff all the way through, so I'll show you how to play that. If you like what I do, subscribe, like, check out the website hdrmusic.co.uk. I'll go to a close-up and I'll show you how to play this one. Right, so you're going to need one chord shape to play this riff. So you put your first finger down on the second fret of the A string, and you're going to use your second finger on the second fret of the B string. And that's how you're going to do the bend. So it starts and you're going to play, you do it picking with a plectrum, or you can do finger picking. It's totally up to you. So get your chord shape down, so it's just your first finger on the second fret of the A string, and you're going to play the big E string, A, E, B, G. That's the first little bit. And then you're going to play the big E string again. And you do the bend, take it off, big E string. So really slowly. E, A, E, B, E, G, big E, bend, open, E, bend, open, E. And then the last little bit, you play the B string. So it sounds like this. Okay, so I'm playing with my thumb and first finger. You can do it with a plectrum. And same thing, if you listen to the track, you'll hear it's sometimes kind of palm muting. And you can do that either way as well. So have a little play around with that. I'm sure you'll get it down in no time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment underneath and I'll try and answer them. See you next time.